Hi guys, welcome to Content Creator Pro. In this video, we are going to go through the new Windows 11 25H2 installation process. This is basically the clean install method, when you create a bootable USB drive, or something like that, and you boot up and do a fresh install of Windows 11 25H2. So, if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to leave a like below, and subscribe to the Content Creator Pro channel, with the notification bell on, so you won't miss future uploads like this one. So, let's begin with the video. First, we have to select the language settings. I'll leave everything as English and English. Click on Next. Keyboard settings. US, click on Next. Select Install Windows 11, and agree that everything will be deleted, files, apps, and settings. Click on Next. Then, click on I don't have a product key. We accept the license terms, then set up disk management. Partition setup. I'll create a single partition. Select unallocated space, create partition, and leave the whole space as default. Click Apply, and the partition will be created, along with a few system partitions, for example, MSR reserved, and a system partition. Now select the main partition, about 80 GB, and click Next. Install Windows 11 Pro, and keep nothing. Click Install, and the installation begins. Next, you'll see a black screen, installing Windows. Keep your computer on. It may restart a few times. After a restart, we are in the OOBE section, out of the box experience. Choose United States, yes. Keyboard layout, US. Skip adding a second layout. Setup will check for updates a few times. User setup. Now, we need to name our device. I'll type ME, and click Next. Quick restart, back to OOBE. Choose Setup for personal use, then click Next. Again, checking for updates. Next, sign in with a Microsoft account. Unlock your Microsoft experience, click Sign In. After that, create a PIN. Enter your PIN, click OK. This is the same as Windows 11 24H2. Privacy and customization. Next, uncheck Tailored Experiences, Inking and Typing. Click Accept. We see Getting Things Ready for You. I'm using a build from the dev channel, build 26200.5761, say slowly. Next, we can customize our experience. I'll click Skip. Skip phone link, skip Outlook photo backup, skip browsing data. Decline Microsoft 365, decline cloud storage. Skip PC Game Pass. Basically, Microsoft shows a lot of ads and options, but all of this can be set up later. Ending. And that's it. The installation process may differ depending on your account and backups, but overall, this is the Windows 11 25H2 installation process. Next steps: install drivers and software. So, that's the video for today. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and subscribe to Content Creator Pro, with the notification bell on. I'm Jermaine from Content Creator Pro. Until next time, have a nice day.